This fifth wheel just got dropped off from the factory, and this should be fun. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the 2025 Forest River Sabre 36FLX. Now, I have not looked inside yet, so we are going to discover this together without me seeing it prior. So this is new for me. This should be a lot of fun. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about a 10-15 minute walkthrough of the entire fifth wheel and talk about it without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. Right here, it looks like the pin box is more ride. Coming around here, we're going to go to the weight sticker. Now, I'm shaking, so I'm not going to zoom in too much, okay? So the GVWR, if you want to zoom in, is 14,545 pounds. Each axle is 6,160 pounds, and you're on 16-inch rims. Going to the dry weight is 12,413 pounds. And the total length, that means if you took a tape measure to it and measured it from front to back, is 41 feet 1 inch. But it is considered a 36-foot fifth wheel. Okay, it has two 5-gallon propane bottles. Looky here. Look at that big pass-through storage. That is humongous. It's got a leveling system to it. Docking station, that's all normal. Tankless hot water heater. Wow, those slide outs. It's got 3 slide outs just on one side of the coach. That's really cool. I'm going to assume FL is front living room. That's what I'm going to assume. Okay. Coming around the back, it's got a backup camera. It is prepped for the roof ladder. It has a hitch on the back. I actually like the graphics. The graphics look really good. 2 power awnings. I love it. 2 power awnings. See, when you're at this size, you really need a lot of shade, especially during the late spring into summer. Even if you're escaping the desert and trying to get to the mountains or somewhere cooler, the sun is still bright. You still want to have that shade. So having 2 big power awnings is really cool. Okay, it looks like right here they're using a Norco frame by NXG. Yes, this is not on a Lippert frame. That is awesome. Love it. Good for them. I understand there's a lot of backlash going on with frame failure and frame flex. To talk about that really quickly, I'm going to make it real quick because you know I talk about it on my podcast and other stuff. Remember that Grand Design is the only manufacturer that is predominantly having these huge accusations. And again, accusations of frame failure and frame flex. You don't see it in Keystone, Forest River, Jayco, etc. nearly as much, okay? But I understand why they went away from Lippert. That's pretty cool. Outside kitchen, remember that that refrigerator only runs when you're plugged in. The other side of the pass-through storage, and let's go inside. By the way, if you enjoy these walkthrough videos I do, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it does help us out. Wait a minute, it's not a front living room. Wow, okay. So this is a rear living room island kitchen floor plan. So what does the FL stand for? That's interesting. Okay, so we're going to start in the kitchen. Obviously, you got a residential refrigerator. This is something Sabre has been doing for a while. Now, I get a little frustrated with Sabre because to me, Sabre has a really good look. They're pretty well built. They should be beating out Reflection by Grand Design in sales, but I think there are some things that just hold them back. And I think some of it is the unwillingness to put in more lighting. I really do. I think lighting has a lot to do with how fifth wheels stand up and how they look. Because let's look at this fact. When I walk into a Grand Design Solitude, a lot of the cabinetry is the same, a lot of the components are the same. The biggest difference I've ever seen between a Grand Design Reflection and other products is lighting. They do not skimp on the lighting. They just don't. It's a fact of life. 3-burner stove. Wow. Solid surface countertops. That looks really good. Oh, they say there's an inverter that's connected to this plug. That's pretty cool. I like all the counter space around the actual stove and oven. Pardon me, I'm a little, remember, I didn't prep for this. This is just me doing this raw. So you're going to have to forgive me a little bit. I'm a little in shock because I don't know where everything is. I like the island. So pretty decent counter space for this floor plan. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. A lot of good storage. I'm actually very shocked. Drawers are very nice and tight. They close really nice. They open really nice. That's huge down there. Is this going to be a pull-out? Yep, trash can. One-piece sink. Everybody knows I love the one-piece sink because you can make pozole, chili, chicken soup, or tortilla soup. Big pots. You need a big area to wash them. So the kitchen's actually pretty good. Big screen TV, fireplace in the living room. Okay, yeah, that's pretty horrible. That's actually like a waste of space there, but what's this? Hidden pantry lock. Oh, that's sick. Oh, they put the hidden pantry in the Sabre. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I was like, where are we going to put food? That's awesome. I like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's close that up. Good for them. One thing I would critique with these guys is I would tell them, put something else up there. This is a waste. Just an absolute waste. Oh, look at that. Fold out sofa. Look at this. Nice deep cabinets. Remember, these cabinets only use seasonally. Like, don't put day-to-day stuff up there because I'm 5'11" in these shoes and I still have to tippy-toe to get up there. So theater seating right across from the big screen TV. I actually like the freestanding dinette. That's actually nice because it's easier to play games and feel comfortable around the freestanding dinette. Remember, when you're buying this type of fifth wheel, you're really not doing it for the sleeping. Okay, I put my foot in my mouth. It does have a bunk room. Okay, so it's a mid bunk. So you got the fold out sofa, the bunk bed above. So you can also use this as an office, obviously. Oh, good, more closet storage. So if you're a full timer or snowbird, this actually might work for you, especially if you do remote work. You work on your laptop. You got your desk right there with all the hookups, the USB, the charger for your cell phone and your laptop. Nice desk. So a little office space with a desk that can also be used for guests for sleeping. That's pretty awesome. Okay, let's go up. So obviously it's going to have the loft then. Yep. The loft. Okay. And then the bathroom. Okay, typical bathroom. They decide to go to the long shower instead of the deep shower. That's not a bad idea. Pull-out linen. What? What? No freaking way. That's cool. I'm usually not shocked by things. That's cool. Toilet's in a good area. You don't feel like you're in a sardine can. Oh, that's bitchin'. How cool. Walk around king bed. Okay, the only thing I don't like about this is just it doesn't have any nightstands. You'll have to add nightstands aftermarket. But look how big this freaking closet is. That's, oh, dryer vent location. So it's washer dryer prep. That's cool. So washer dryer prep. That's a big closet. Okay, nice deep drawers. They're known for this. This hasn't changed. And actually, for coming from the factory, this does not have any problems. This actually looks good. None of the trim's hanging off. I mean, it's dirty. It's dusty. All that. But for being straight from the factory, this is actually in really good shape. Now, if you have any questions, email me, contact me on social media down in the description box below, Instagram, X, Facebook, etc. Don't forget to join us on X. That would be really cool of you. And in the top right hand corner, I got another fifth wheel I think you're going to enjoy by Sabre. I think you're really going to like it. I think it's one of the better floor plans that Sabre builds, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. So until next time, toolkit and sense of humor, folks.